Hello, guys, and once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the only place where we make WordPress simple and stress free. So, in today's video, we are talking about something that often gets overlooked but can seriously improve your website performance, and that's setting up page limit. Most of the people might be thinking that what is page limit? Well, when you run a blog or any content heavy website, WordPress will automatically show a list of posts or items on your home page, category pages, or even archives. The page limit simply control how many posts or items shows up on one page before user need to click next or previous to see more. Let's know why is this important for your website. Basically, you show too many posts on a single page. It can slow down your website, especially for users on mobile or slower internet connections. It can also make your site look cluttered and harder to navigate. By limiting the number of posts per page, you not only improve the loading speed but also give your visitors a better or more focused browsing experience. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set and manage your page limit in WordPress in just few easy steps. Whether you're running a blog, portfolio, or news site, this is something every WordPress user should know. So now, let's roll out to our website. So this is my website and a total of 2 posts are visible in it. And after this, we come to the bottom because we have set its limit to 2 only. And below we get to see the design of the pagination here, where we get to see some numbers and we also get to see the option of next. So from here, we click on second page. Then the second page loads and come in front of us. Here we can also see 2 posts right in it. And at the bottom, we can clearly see the previous button, some numbers and next button. Now, one more thing, let me tell you that we will get to see such design in this theme only. If you use any other theme, then you will get to see different designs. Currently, I am using Jita theme. So we will get such design in that. You will get to see a completely different design according to each theme. So we have set the limit of this page to 2. That is why only 2 posts are being shown to us. If we change the limit, then you will get to see the different number of posts on this page. And how you can do that? Let me tell you. So first, let's come to our website. From here, we need to go on setting and then we have to click on reading. Here, we can see some options that can change the limit of our post. But first thing first, here you can see the option called your home page displays. Currently, your latest post selected right here. So if I change it into a static page, select below. So 2 options appear in front of us. First is home page and second is post page. So let's just click on home page. Here, if I select any of them, like home, and in the post page, let's select here our story and then click on save changes and come to our website and refresh it. After refreshing the page, you can see our home page is totally changed, where we can see the home page right at the top and at the bottom we can clearly see our story post. So this is not what we are going to do. So let's make it default and go to our next option that calls blog pages show at most. So we are currently using 2 posts on a single page. Now, because we have selected 2 here, we are seeing 2 posts in the website. If we change it, let's say if you wanted to show 5 pages in your website, so type here 5. After that, just click on save changes and then go to our website and refresh it. So here you can clearly see 5 posts has been added to our website. Or other we can say we have limited the 5 pages in our website to show the audience. Let's scroll it one by one. Clearly you can see that 5 posts has been added to our website. Let's go to back on our first page. Here, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is how you can set a limit of your posts that are showing to your website. And again, I repeat, to do that, we will go to our website and from there, select the setting option. And after that, go to the reading section. And from there, you can set the limit of your page. You can set as many posts as you want to show on your website. Now, let's change the limit again. And for that, hover on the setting option, click on reading. From here, let's select 3 and then click on save changes. After reloading the page, 3 posts we can clearly see on our website. So I hope you got it well. Now we have set the page limit. Now let's try to changing it design, and for that we have to go to our website. From here, let's hover on the appearance section and then click on customize. After clicking on the customize, let's look for layout section. After that, click on blog section. Here, if you want to customize a single page, so you can click here, but for now, we have to click on blog archive. And from here, we need to search for post navigation option. By default is selected numbered. This means our page will show numbers. But if you have the premium version of this theme, then you can change it to load more or even infinite scroll. And it will show you right here. If we click on infinite scroll, and here you can see the infinite scroll. I mean, there's no any pagination option you can see. And if we click on the load more option, so at this point, you can see the load more option. But for now, we don't have the premium ship. If you have, so you can change the options accordingly. Now we have learned to change the pagination effect. Next, what we will do is try to set the pagination in another theme. And for that, let's go back to our website. Let's just cut everything. And then go to the appearance option. And here, click on themes. So currently we are using Zeta theme now. But I'm going to choose the another theme. Like we have Astra and Cadence theme here. Let's select the Cadence theme. Just activate it. And then go to our website and refresh it. So this is how our pagination effect look like in this theme. You can see 1, 2 and arrow option here, not next. And currently we are set 5 page limit in our website. Now let's just change it. For that, go on setting and here click on reading. So we can see 5 posts only show on our website. Now we are going to change it. Let's make it 2 and click on save changes. Let's just get back to our website and here refresh it. So you can clearly see that only 2 posts showing on our website right now. And if we scroll down, so here you can see this is how our pagination effect look like. Let's try to change the page limit again. Just back to our website and here select 3. Then save changes. Go to our website, refresh it. So this is how you can set the page limit for your website. And if you like this video, make sure to click on the thumbs up button and please do subscribe to my channel because I have made more informative videos like this.